Hi all, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. To all those noodle lovers, Maggie is definitely the first love. In today's video, let's see how to make this delicious, buttery and perfect street style spicy masala Maggie. But before we start, if you are new here, please do subscribe to Mano Cooks to learn more such easy recipes and also please click on the bell button. Let's get started. Please take a note of all the ingredients. Heat a pan or kadai on medium flame, add 1 tablespoon oil followed by 1 tablespoon butter. Once butter melts and it is hot, let's add chopped green chili. Allow the green chili to cook in oil for some time so that the oil gets all the flavor from green chili. Now let's add finely chopped onion. Saute the onion until the raw smell goes off and onion turns pink. Tip here, please do not brown the onions as that might give a different color to our final dish. Once onion is sauteed, let's add finely chopped tomato. Please chop the tomatoes finely as we do not want big tomato skin to be in every bite. Saute the tomato until it is soft and mushy as you see in the video. Now let's add the masala powders one by one. I am adding turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Saute everything for few minutes until raw smell goes off. Since this is masala Maggi with veggies, we are going to add some veggies that cooks really quick. So I am adding green peas and capsicum here. You can also add some corn kernels or some finely chopped carrot too. Tip here, please increase the quantity of masalas if you are adding more veggies. Let's saute the veggies for 2 minutes. We need the veggies to be cooked at the same time crunchy too. Now let's add the Maggi taste maker. Since I am adding 2 Maggi cakes here, I am taking 2 taste maker. Let's add that and saute everything for few seconds. It's time to add 2 cups of water. Add water, mix everything once, cover and let this come to a good boil. To make this tasty masala noodles, you can take either Maggi or top ramen. So the idea here is to add masala powders for enhancing the flavors along with the taste maker that comes with these noodles. I am taking 2 noodle cakes here and break each into 4 parts. Now once water boils nicely, add the broken noodle cakes to it as seen in the video. Cook the noodles with occasional stirring. Slowly you can see the noodle cooks and all the water evaporates. Quick tip here, please do not skip green chili, fresh masala powders, taste maker and most importantly butter. When you see the water almost evaporates, add 1 tablespoon butter and mix well. Cook for few seconds as you see in the video and finally add chopped coriander leaves to garnish. Now our buttery vegetable masala Maggi is ready. Mix well, turn off the flame and serve it hot. Any boring day can be a best day with the spicy vegetable masala magic noodles. Try this definitely sometime and I'm sure this would be a new family favorite Maggi recipe. If you are a Maggi lover like me, please do hit the like button and do comment me down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and press the bell button too. See you all in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching.